work the SHI account with my partner, Patrick McMillan, down in Austin, Texas, and meeting the folks on all the dispersed teams here, whether it's public sector, whether it's healthcare, whether it's the strategic/commercial folks, has been invaluable for me, but it's been amazing meeting so many of these great folks at SHI, and we really appreciate the opportunity to be here.
I love engaging with the SHI employees. They're friendly. Each conversation brings a new opportunity for me and my partnership, and I love the engagement.
I've covered your account for 4 years, and I didn't realize how much I missed this, but for 2 years now, haven't been able to do it. So being back here in this setting, being face-to-face with everybody, it's been fantastic. The energy is great.